Hi guys, this is Siddharth.
Hi guys, this is Komal.
And she has no idea about why she has sent me this video. Hi guys! Wow, my table trembled. Welcome to my YouTube! I can't even believe this is happening. I can believe it, but it's a little unreal for me because I didn't think I'll start it this quick. And just welcome yourself into the world of the real me. But first and foremost, before I begin, I'm so grateful for the love. It just brightens my day, it makes my day, it lights up every single moment that I live. So I got gifted a vlogging camera by my girlfriend Komal, and I decided, I was so inspired that I started vlogging. 18th of June is when me and Komal complete 1 year of being together. I have not had a happier phase in my life, to be honest with someone. It's Komal's birthday on the 18th of June. So I decided to do something very special for her. Okay, this is day one. So I've always seen YouTubers start and do stuff in the bathroom. So I was like, I need to be like a real YouTuber and actually do this. So that's why I'm in my bathroom. I have managed to consider this as day one of this vlog. Today I'm actually thinking of calling my best friend from Pune, Yashashree, and I was thinking of discussing with her what I should gift Komal. We just go and call her, and and then we'll dial in, and then I'm gonna catch you guys. Yashashree knew, that's her contact. Wow, her phone's let's try again. Okay, now she's not answering my call, so what do I do? So I was thinking I'll just go on my laptop and just probably check for some stuff that I like. I know there's this website called Lemil. They have a lot of designer brands and luxury brands and stuff. So they have bags, they have heels, but she likes more of top handles. I've seen, obviously doesn't wear sling so much. Dude, this brand, I'm 100% sure that most of you are going to pronounce it as Jukmos. You'll be like, most of you first of all will be like, bro, what is this? I want to know. What is this brand? Ye kya hai? Why are you buying? Why? But the answer is because I'm gifting to my girlfriend. I'm gifting to Komal. You don't want it. Okay, so it's not about you. It's about her. Let me actually text Kusha, dude. Listen. That's what I've typed. I know you're waiting to know the pronunciation of the brand. I don't really know how you really pronounce it, but I call it Jacquemus. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, Komal loves it, that's all I know. The feelings matter here, guys. The feelings matter. You need to understand that. I have already taken a shower, and this woman, I just checked my phone, has still not called me. I am just baffled with my friends. This is not cool. I need love. I need attention. I need to feel like I'm needed. This is just not what I've signed up for. I have woken up a while back, and I want to quickly wanted to make this because I woke up and I was supposed to speak to Yashashree. I have just woken up with this thought that I just want to order the gift. So I was on Lemil. The moment I woke up, I was on Lemil, and I was like, I need to order something, and I know I want to order a pair of maybe a pair of heels or maybe a bag or something like that. I think she'll really, she loves fashion. It's literally therapy for her. So I was on the mail and I really like these one pair of heels that they have from Balenciaga. These are the ones that they had. I did like the Balenciaga bags, they had stuff like this, such stuff. I messaged Shiv, he works with Lemil. He's the manager of Lemil. So he has sent me a bunch of options. I specifically asked him that, can you give me something from Jacquemus? He sent me a bunch of options. I'm gonna put them out here for you guys. He also sent me some a set from Zimmerman. I don't know if I want to get apparel. I want to gift her a bag. Then I spoke to Kusha. We just sent a voice note.
I'm not too sure about the wicker, and the first bag should not have a wicker.
So she's saying that the first bag should not be a wicker. It's also, I actually feel it's not the timeless also. I like wicker too, but of course I think the classic shapes and the classic bags are more timeless. Guys, I have booked it! It's done! So now, Komal's actually called me. But what exactly do you want to do? Do you want to just chill?
Anything.
Do you want to go
outside? I want to have good food for sure. No, just eat and chill. That's all. I want to have Indian food, pizza also. I would love some dim sums. What about you? What do you want to eat?
I don't mind a mix actually.
Hannah,
Yeah.
why should we eat one thing all day? We can have little everything.
Yeah. I'm just glad our vaccination's done, dude.
I promise you, this is just our day. No one else. Okay?
I love you.
I love you.
Okay, random footage insert. I have basically just come here to tell you that I have ordered 2 neon signs. Say hi to Dad. Papa, say hi.
Hi.
He's not even like interested. I just had a random idea, so I just messaged this girl. They will be a part of the decor, the final decor in the room. So yeah, just coming here to tell you that before I show you in the final reveal. Also, I'm just dressed for a shoot. तुम्हें मतलब तैयार होके नहीं है बताने आऊँगा, please. इतना भी important मत सोचो अपने आप को. So I actually just finished speaking with Nikita from Beambox. She's doing the neon signs. I wanted 1 neon sign for the room. I mean, that was the first thought. But then eventually I went for 2. The first neon sign that we finally decided, I wanted something that me and Komal decided to call ourselves. And that is the sitcom. As you know, obviously, that you can figure from what I said, it's a play on the word sitcom. And the second neon sign is something that Komal keeps saying to me all the time, and people who follow me on Instagram and have seen my videos would know what I'm talking of. And I hope they look beautiful. It's actually the day, which is the second review of what Pitara events are actually doing in the house in my room on 17th night. There's a Zoom call that I'm obviously going to do on the phone. Let's see how the review goes and how I like what they've sent. I'm shooting right now, but guess what? I just received a notification on my phone while the light is gone that the parcel from Limil is here. Doorbell has rung. Sir, please बाहर रख देंगे उसको? Okay, can you guys see it? Why do I like hold this? I think my slippers are really making a lot of noise. Okay guys, I'm gonna open it now. Wait, this is what it looks like. Guys, it's a long wait for her to see it. So guys, basically I have just woken up and I think मैं blogger बन चुका हूँ because आज मैं सोया था कैमरा के साथ. The events company, like the decor company, they have sent me the final mood board and it looks fantastic. Like it looks so good. It's exactly what I wanted. So बस यही बताने आया था. अब मुझे नींद तो आ रही है but सोने दो ना. Okay, so I don't even know what day of this vlog this is. I have completely forgotten now. I have some good news. A neon signs is here. Neon signs is here. Neon signs are here. What am I even talking? Okay, they're big, massive boxes. Huh? Can you guys see? ये खुलने वाला है. खुल जा. Sim sim. You guys will see these neon signs in the finale. Catch you in the finale आज रात 8 बजे. कभी नहीं है bro. When I post it, that's when the finale is, because I am the finale. Papa, who has asked you to come here? Huh? Who has asked you to come? Same guy, same location, same day, and today is 12th of June. Dara Events is here, and they are here to just check out the room and what they can do. Guys, say hi to my YouTube.
Hello.
Hi, bolo hi. Our anniversary.
And your birthday. Oh my
So she's
God.
actually doing something really special.
उसका बस ऊपर का पोर्शन को हम फोटो बूथ बना दे तो.
आ जाओ. He's clearly the problem solver for us, huh? He seems to be like the guy. I think he's my guy. Okay, she is really petrified of this move that I have made. I think she clearly wants like the real attention here, but she's not getting. Hi! So I am talking to Tanisha from Food Limo, just figuring out the menu. I'm going to order Indian from the restaurant where we started going on dates. I wanted to be like super nostalgic. So as of now, we have figured out that she wants to give us some breads with some dips and some cream cheese stuff and some feta with black olives and lemon peel. And you know, babe, she also really likes mac and cheese. So is there something? I mean, do a very, very small portion. I don't want like the food to go waste because there's a bunch of things we're ordering. Tanisha also wants to make some stuff for my parents. She has this chatpata pasta which is very good. If you guys want to try it.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, chatpata pasta is fine.
You want to see his chatpata face?
You can order chatpata pasta with garlic bread.
Garlic bread, huh? I think she thinks she's ordering from Domino's or something. Yeah, guys, there is a small bad news. I was on Komarin, the place, the restaurant where I wanted to order some stuff from, where we started going on dates. Says that they temporarily closed on Zomato.
We are operating from coming Wednesday, day after tomorrow, for dining around 1 o'clock. A totally new menu. You can look via Facebook and all these apps. So Wednesday is the right time for all this actually. But we have discontinued few items, sir.
Do you guys have the gunpowder idli available? Do you have?
Yes, sir, yes.
Okay. Do you have the green chili prawn something?
Prawn is still there, sir. Yes.
Okay, fantastic. I think those are like my questions. Okay, thank you so much. This is all I needed to know. So apparently the guys are at the main gate at 6 a.m. I think the guys from the decor are at, look at my face, are at the service gate, and they're not allowing them in, saying that they can only come post 9 a.m. So this is how my day has started. Sir, please कर दीजिए sir.
नहीं वो तो ठीक है सर 8 बजे से तो चलो वो भी मैं रिस्क ले रहा हूँ 8 बजे मैं एंट्री कर
Say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
Do you guys want to sanitize quickly?
Yeah, sure. Oh my god, are you serious?
So my dad is watching Friends right now, as you guys can see. Papa, who is your favorite Friends character?
Phoebe,
And why?
very funny. She keeps making ad hoc comments.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the final reveal. Shall we? It's time. It's time for my outfit. Now I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna come in with my outfit. See ya! And this is my final outfit. How do you guys like it? I'm sorry for looking a little too sharp. I'll quickly show you guys some corners that I really like. This is obviously one of my favorites, obviously. And we're gonna click pictures here, you guys are gonna see them. The most favorite corner for Komal would definitely be this bar. This bar is going to be her favorite corner. And it's also gonna be my favorite corner. Okay, I need to open my buttons, guys. Manners, you need to open your buttons when you sit. And this is how you sit. And this is where you can see the menu of Komarin. Komarin is where we guys started going on dates. So we've created the menu of Komarin. Obviously, I've ordered a bunch of things. I've ordered stuff from Komarin. I've also ordered some stuff that she would enjoy. I basically ordered everything that she would enjoy in general. And she likes eating every day. So these are roses that I got. These are 270 roses symbolizing 27 years that she's completing. It says open me. And inside it says 270 roses for 27 years. And this is the gift. So she's gonna see it and she's gonna hopefully love it. And do you guys want to read the note? Okay. The note says, you made a video, so I bought it for you. We'd love to brand so much. This is obviously the dinner table where we're going to just chill, hang, and just eat. I think that's about it. That's about it. I'm just really overwhelmed and I can't wait for her to come, guys. I can't wait for her to come. Okay, let's switch to her coming now.
On my way.
Acha, okay, cool. Okay, how long will you take? No, I was just wondering because I'm done.
Just like 5 more minutes. I was just waiting for something.
Acha, okay, cool. Cool.
I have just left.
Yeah. Yeah, it's fine. Chill.
You're done now.
Yeah, I'm done. That's why I told you. I'm just sitting in my room.
Are you wearing the suit?
Do you care?
Now I want you to wear it.
Okay, cool. I'll change it to it right now. And I was sitting in my PJs. I told you I just want to chill. I don't want to do anything. So I'll just wear my suit now.
Rainy days don't seem so wet. Stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we met,
This is like no one has ever done this.
be the best. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know.
Oh my god.
Talk for hours and never slept.
I want you to look at everything.
This is the
first.
installation.
This is the installation.
This is the installation.
Watch the sun
is just, I don't know what to say.
Your gift is here.
Okay, I'm over.
Your gift is here. Okay, you need to first like see all the envelopes here.
Oh my god, what all have
So there's
you
no
done?
there's no treasure hunt. There's no treasure hunt. I just want you to open it. That's all. I want you to like open stuff. Yugam, we have forgotten to light the candles. I can't believe our music's gone off. Okay, listen, I need to play some music for you before like.
Oh my god.
Okay, this is as real as it gets.
Listen, I hope I look good.
Of course you do.
No, like in the camera.
Of course you do. So I knew white and peaches.
Oh, this is just. Yeah, like white are my favorite.
I wanted
flowers.
to give you flowers primarily for your birthday. Because I know.
Tabby,
You
you
want to-
said don't come. I will tell you when to come. I was like, why
No, I
is he
didn't.
saying? You said it. You were like, I'll message you when my shoot is done.
Okay, do you want to open this?
I want to open it. Oh my god, what is this?
I'm actually really excited for you to open this. You guys know how much I have been dying to get her to open this. You don't need to.
You made a video, so I bought it for you.
I don't know what it means. Okay, this is really
I will cry if this is like.
what you think it is.
I don't know what it is, honestly. I don't anymore.
I gave you the best hint ever.
I made a video on it.
Okay, come on.
I still don't know. What is M? No, you did. Oh my god.
Open it. It's.
And the fact that you remember I made a video on it.
Listen, I have to remember.
Have they seen it already?
What? Of
Like
course they
your,
have.
like-
Of course they have.
They have.
Yeah.
Oh wow. So oh my god, there's such a beautiful color. Oh my god. I'm gonna carry it tomorrow when I go to see my parents. Oh, this is the buckle.
Yeah. Do you like it?
Guys, this is like my first luxury. What do you call it?
Luxury purchase.
Luxury purchase.
And this is basically from the brand that she is obsessed with.
I adore Jacquemus.
I wish
Sorry,
I could.
Jacquemus.
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 I called it Jacquemus.
Yeah.
That's what I called it.
Oh, I thought it was
Jacquemus. Listen, so the French pronunciation is obviously different, but I'm
Yeah.
sure like there's some.
But oh my god! Wait, I'm gonna pause.
Okay, both.
Steps. We watched the sun as it slowly crept from the horizon to the place we met. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know.
But baby! Evie, look at her in silence eating. I don't know why this camera is on, but it just is. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog much like we enjoyed right now. And I thought we could... Sweet. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and we're now going to have some us time, because that's what we need, right? We need. And she's just like, ooh, ooh.
Right?
Like, share, subscribe. Subscribe to my channel and like and share this video.
If you like this video and if you want him to make more such videos, then make sure you like, share and subscribe to his channel.
My channel. Very new channel, and the only channel that needs to be glued to your eyes. Okay, bye. Okay, that's it for this video. Wow, she got scared. She literally got scared. Guys, outro करनी है Komal. So yeah. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is the second outro that I'm doing. Yeah.
Hoping that this would turn out well and hoping that you
Listen, it's turned out well. I am just taking options so that I end up using, I don't know, whatever.
Don't forget to say the 3 things in the end.
Which are,
Which are
don't forget to like this video, and if you'd like it, you could also give it a thumbs up because that's what it means. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And lastly, which is very important, don't forget to share this video because it's worth sharing. Until next time, until my next video, peace out. She's trying to make this video also about her. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! So? You are just not excited about anything that I do. I love you too.